Okay, where should we go now? MCQs? चलें जी फरमाइश आई है. Let's do MCQs, okay? All right. Questions 14 to 16. Question number 14. What can we learn from first paragraph? Wow, very good. Yeah. Now we go to first paragraph and we just skim read first paragraph and then we see what is it that we learn from first paragraph. Please come to first paragraph. I'm reading first line. Over the past century, a powerful idea has taken root in the educational landscape. The concept of intelligence as something innate has been supplanted by the idea that intelligence is not fixed. Now, one is in the past, there was an idea that intelligence is innate. Innate means God gifted, or you are intelligent by birth, or you are born intelligent, okay? Has been supplanted by the idea that intelligence is not fixed, and that, okay, with the right training, we can be the authors of our own cognitive capabilities. Now, what is the second idea? With the right training, we can become intelligent. So, intelligence is not by birth. With the right training, we can become intelligent. And then they talk about other people. So, the developer of the first intelligence test was one of many 19th century scientists who held that earlier view. Now, what is going on? They are telling us about earlier view, what the earlier view was, what people thought about intelligence and all that. Now, keep this stuff in mind and come back. Option A, their notion of innate intelligence first began. Yes? Very good. Wrong answer. They don't tell us the location where the notion of innate intelligence first began. Right? Option B, when ideas about the nature of intelligence began to shift. Yes. Right? Yes. Century ago, there was one belief, and then there was another. The first belief was you are born intelligent. And second belief is you can improve your intelligence through training. So correct answer is option B. Now come to option C. How scientists have responded to changing views of intelligence. Response of scientists is not mentioned. So C is not the right answer. And option D, why thinkers turned away from the idea of intelligence being fixed. Come back. Can you see thinkers? Yes. Yeah, thinkers mentioned. Which line? Third last line, and we've got the word thinkers there. Progressive thinkers revolted against the notion that inherent ability is destiny. Instead, educators such as this. Now, have they mentioned why thinkers turned away? The reasons are mentioned? No. So, correct answer is option B, when ideas about nature of intelligence began to shift. And when that happened, over the past century, powerful idea has taken root in the educational landscape. And when the idea, for that they used over the past century. Got it? That's why correct answer is option B. Now, question number 15, second paragraph describes how schools encourage students to. Now, we will go to second paragraph, look for the word schools, and schools encourage students to do what? So, where is it? Good. Second paragraph, and there they talk about schools. Okay, I'm reading it from beginning. Growth mindset theory is a relatively new and extremely popular version of this idea. In many schools today, you will see hallways covered in motivational posters and hear speeches on the mindset of great sporting heroes who simply believed their way to the top. A major focus of the growth mindset in schools. Now focus this. Read this carefully. A major focus of growth mindset in schools is coaxing students away from seeing failure as an indication of their ability and towards seeing it as a chance to improve that ability. Now focus this thing. seeing failure as an indication of their ability and towards seeing it as a chance to improve that ability, educationist Jeff Howard noted several decades ago. Now come back. Option A, identify their personal ambitions. Yes or no? No. Very good. Option B, help each other to realize their goals. No. Help each other is not mentioned. Now, match is close. Option C, have confidence in their potential to succeed. Yes. All right. Option D, concentrate on where their particular strengths lie. No. So correct answer is option C. Schools encourage students to have confidence in their potential to succeed. Now please come back. A major focus of the growth mindset in schools is coaxing students away from seeing failure as an indication of their ability and towards seeing it as a chance to improve that ability. So correct answer for that is have confidence in their potential to succeed. Potential means ability to succeed. Yeah. Question number 16. In the third paragraph, writer suggests that students with a fixed mindset. Now underline students with a fixed mindset. And writer suggests. And which paragraph? Third paragraph. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this fixed mindset is mentioned in second last line, but we will read it from third last line after full stop. This group had inferred that success or failure is due to innate ability. And this fixed mindset, now what is fixed mindset? Success or failure is due to innate ability. This fixed mindset had led them to fear of failure. Now because of the fixed mindset, students are afraid of failure and lack of effort. Now keep in mind, fear of failure, lack of effort. Come back. Option A, tend to be less competitive. No. Option B, generally have a low sense of self-esteem. No. Option C, will only work hard if they are given constant encouragement. No. Option D, are afraid to push themselves beyond what they see as their limitations. Correct answer is option D. Just read it again. Fixed mindset had led them to fear of failure and lack of effort. So what is for fear of failure? Afraid to push themselves beyond what they see as their limitation. Lack of effort, fear of failure. D will be the right answer.